Happy birthday!
Oh, do a skid, do a skid.
Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we're going on a cruise with some awesome JDM cars. We've got a sick lineup here, but before we do that, we're going to be surprising one of my subscribers, Nicholas, for his birthday. We're going to be rocking up with all of these hectic cars, and we're going to give Nicholas a mad surprise with all these sick cars turning up for his birthday. So here's a bit of the lineup that we got. We've got Mems's R33 Skyline. I'll put Mems's Instagram here and his YouTube channel, Tuner's Evolution, up there as well. We've got Chris's EK Civic here as well, or EK Sheer. We've got Hass's beautiful, badass S15 right here. So next to Hass's S15, we've got my S15 here. That's freshly painted and everything like that as well. So yeah, looking nice and fresh. This BRZ, we don't know who this is. It's just some random person that we parked next to, but looks pretty clean. But it's nothing in comparison to Jake's beautiful turbo BRZ, which looks hectic. We've got Angelo or Boost King's R32 JDR. This is actually for sale too. So if you guys are interested in the R32 JDR, hit up Angelo at Boost King's if you guys are keen or interested in this car. And last but definitely not least, we've also got Ryan's WRX. He's also got some fresh headlights that he just put on this as well. It looks really, really good. Some nice LED headlights. And yeah, his car's looking proper. So I'm very excited to head down and surprise Nicholas for his birthday with all of these cars. Yeah, Nicholas, if you're watching this, happy birthday. And I really appreciate all of the support and love that you showed to me and the channel. Here's Mems as well.
What's going on, guys? What's going on?
Mems is saying hello. You gonna say happy birthday, Nicholas?
Happy birthday, bro. You are a legend. Look, we bring all these cars for you. Wish you happy birthday, bro.
So as you can see, bro, we're all excited to surprise you. And yeah, once again, really appreciate all of your support. It really does mean the world. And yeah, this is my way of giving back and just saying thank you. So yeah, very excited. So we're getting ready to leave now, guys. All the cars are all started up now. Here's the lineup. Hello.
Happy birthday!
How are you, mate?
Good.
Good to see you, mate.
Thank
I got you a gift. There's Angelo's JDR.
Thanks.
What's going on? Do you want to go for a drive?
Yeah, of course he does.
Alright,
We'll go around the block. We'll go for a drive. Oh yeah. Hey, when it gets yours, we'll go for another drive. You can drive it. Yeah.
Yeah, just don't do the front month though.
Oh, do a skid, do a skid.
All right, you excited?
Yeah. I've never been like in a car that goes like stupid.
Oh, dude.
Never.
When I was 13, I had a ride in an S15.
Really?
And when I heard the flutter, the sukutu, everything, that's what made it my dream car. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
How's your day been so far?
Pretty good.
We're famous, man.
Thanks so much.
Oh, good.
Does this have a external gate?
No, it's just got an
It sounds
exhaust.
like it
It
does.
does, doesn't it?
Wow.
It's just got an exhaust leak, so it sounds like it has an external gate, even though it doesn't. It's a bit weird. That's addicting.
I know, it's so cool. You must like love this car, eh?
Oh man, I can't get over it. It's like,
It's my dream car as well, eh?
yeah,
But they're so expensive now, they're like 60 plus grand.
heaps expensive.
Is that your friend up there? Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
what's his name?
Oh yeah, there's an R34. That's Todd's.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going around again.
How much power is this? This feels like more than 220.
It's not much power.
It's so good, I love it.
stuff. I'm impressed. You know, T28s, you know, waistgates. There's Todd. How are you, mate?
Thank you.
We'll head back this way. It's a nice R34, eh?
Yeah, I love
You like it?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Happy birthday again,
Thank
man.
you.
Did you have fun?
I loved it.
Say this to me. Johnny, I love you.
Hello. Hello there, internet.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. Right, we're shouting out to Jacob.
Yeah, bro.
My name is Elias.
Elias.
Shout out to me.
Yes, all the shout outs.
Shout out to Eggs. Shout out to Eggs. Sydney has the best car scene ever.
It does.
Thank you so much, guys, for coming. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, we got all the other cars here.
You'll be freaking out.
Getting a shot with Mems as well. I love it. Do you like Mems' R33?
I love it. I love Skyline.
What's your dream car?
S15?
S15, bro.
Yeah.
No, S15, S15.
You need S15.
Bro, Nicholas has got the ThatCarLife sticker on the family car. How cool is that, man? I love it. And he's got the shirt as well. So you got the matching ThatCarLife shirt and the ThatCarLife sticker. Like, what a legend, man. Absolute legend. So that was so much fun surprising Nicholas for his birthday. We got to go inside, cut the cake and everything, take photos. Like, it was a whole lot of fun. And yeah, Nicholas, your family's amazing. You're amazing. And I hope you've had a really good birthday. Now we're going to meet up with everyone again, and then we're going to go to a car meet and then for a cruise with everyone. So I'll pick up the video again when we meet up with everyone, and then we start heading down to the cruise. Alright, we got a mad lineup. We got Todd's car here, Jake's car, Chris's EK, the GDR, Hass's Beamer, Mem's 33. We got all the cars lined up, but we're gonna go for a nice cruise, and yeah, it'll be a lot of fun with all the cars together. Put up at Nick's mate at Port Botany. You can see we got all the cars lined up here. We've got the other boys, their cars are over here. It's a really clean EK there actually as well. We've got next to Mem's car this really nice MX-5. We've got this sick 8.6 as well. Of course, we've got Nick's FC RX-7, which you guys have seen heaps on the channel as well. He's got his own YouTube channel too. I'll link it right up here. You guys go check it out. Does some mad content as well. Nasho runs, all that good stuff. Yeah, so make sure you check out Alakuya Automotive. I said it right this time. I always stuff it up. Make sure you check out Nick's stuff. It's a really nice crown. Paintwork's like immaculate. Really nice wheels. This thing's proper. I didn't get to show Todd's car in like good lighting last time, but yeah, as you can see, here it is in some better lighting. I actually got a video when he picked it up, getting like a fresh re-wrap job on it. Yeah, it looks so good. Very, very clean. And of course, Jake's car and Ryan's car are immaculate as well. And Hass is here in the BMW M3 G80. We did a feature on this car. I'll link it up here if you guys want to check it out. It's an absolute beast, and yeah, it's such a fun car. So we'll probably chill here for a bit, hang out, and we'll probably go for a cruise somewhere after that. All right, guys, so we're leaving now. We're going for a cruise. We got, yeah, a full lineup of cars here. And yeah, we're gonna head down to the one and only Tarrant Point Macca's. So we're just pulling up the Tarrant Point Macca's now, and this spot is like, it's pretty much a good go-to cruise spot in the Sydney car scene now. Pretty much if you go there, there's always good cars, which it seems like there's a few cars here tonight. Alright guys, so I just put up the TP Macca's. We've got the S15 parked over here and all the other cars are lined up all down here. So I'm probably going to leave the video here guys. We're just going to chill out and end the night after this. Today was a very special video. Obviously we went on a mad cruise, but surprising Nicholas for his birthday was just, it was really fun. But yeah, Nicholas, happy birthday once again. Hope you enjoyed the surprise. Well, yeah, it was awesome to see you and meet your friends and family and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the nice little cruise here as well. We got some good dosing, some good exhaust pools and some JDM cars all around us. So yeah, it was a good time. And if you guys want to support the channel as well, you can cop some ThatCarLife apparel and car parts that we're selling on the side. I'll link it down below. Mems, if people don't get the merch, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, that's a bit much. What's a less extreme thing you'll do?
I'll jump out of your closet.
Mems will come out of the closet if you buy this merch. But yeah, I'll leave it there guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on ThatCarLife.